Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Asana for task management. So first you just have to log into your Asana account, and as you can see here we have options like home, my task, and box. Let's just say I wanted to create a new project. Okay, this project is all about YouTube channel. So my team and I, we are working on a YouTube channel. Okay, so we have your layout, sample layouts. You can select list, board, timeline, calendar. For me, I'm going to use list. So in order for us to use this task management, we have to create or make a task first. Okay, so here you can add or type task. You can copy this one or you can create your own, but this is an example tasking for YouTube channel. And then you can now assign a person to do this task. For example, the first task here is video planning and research. You just have to click assignee and then select the person or the team member to do this first task here. Due date, set a date of when they're going to submit this or this tasking should be done. Also for content creator, just click assignee, select the email address, and then set a due date for that. Also for video upload and optimization, assignee, email address, and due date. Now you can add task if you want. Okay, so this is it. We have already assigned this task. Now, if you're going to look for this or see this other layouts here, we have your board. It's the same thing. Okay, timeline, calendar, dashboard. You can still do this task management or a project, whichever layout you choose. But let's go back to list. Okay, so in order to start also, you can just tap this one and then you can add note if you want. For example, fast and here. You want this task to be fast and here. Also, we have here description. You can add description so that the signee would know or the signee can understand the tasking. Okay. And then you can add task if you want. You just have to tap it here and then type anything and then assign it to another person if you want. So that means from one task, you can add another task. So this is what we call add subtask. And for comment, you just have to say anything here. Everything is up to you. Leave a feedback or any note or anything. Okay. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is to simply click this comment. Now, once this task is done, you can just simply go up and tap this mark complete, or what is this? Oh, mark, yeah, mark complete. And then as you can see, it's completed. Okay, the second tasking here is this. You can do the same thing, add something, note, and then description. You can even customize and add some tools. For example, you want to add Zoom or Google Drive or whatever, Dropbox. Let's just say you want to add Zoom, like you're planning to have a meeting or Zoom meeting to your team. So you can add this Zoom to your Asana. Okay, so you just have to allow, and then you can see Asana here. And then also the same thing here, you can do the same method, same process. Now, if you're tired of typing the instruction or description, you can just simply add this one or tap this one in order for you to start recording your screen. So in that way, you don't need to type long description or instruction here. All you have to do is simply let your members or team members watch your video. So that's it. That's how easy it is to, do this or use Asana for task management. It's easier than ever. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.